Hello everyone, this is Dr. Amanda with the Writing Center. We have a new system to create appointments this semester, but I promise you it's just as easy as the last one. There's just a few more questions. So the first thing you want to do is find your Navigate 360 app and log into that. You can do that from the library's homepage from the Student Success Center, or by going to our main page, clicking on My USCA and Student, and Navigate will have a link there. Once you find Navigate and log in using the same login you use for Blackboard, you can click the Get Assistance button. When you click on that, it opens a screen that says New Appointment. What can we help you find? Well, what appointment would you like to schedule? If you're looking for the Writing Center, use the drop-down menus to select us in both areas. You can then pick a date. I'll pick tomorrow, and I'm going to find an available time. Automatically, it populates choices for meeting times. Say I want to meet at 1 p.m. on Wednesday. So it says which staff member we want to meet with, and I'd like to meet in person. Now, for some people, that is our only option. If you're looking for an online appointment, please contact us if you're not seeing that option. You can also share other information, maybe what you're working on. You can send an email reminder to yourself and a text message reminder if you just enter your phone number there. Once you click schedule, it's telling me I've reached my limit of 1 per day Writing Center appointment, but if that's available to you, it should schedule you right away. Then you can see that you have scheduled that, and you'll get an email from us confirming that appointment. From that point on, just drop in to see us, and we'll be happy to help you out. We're in room H&SS, Humanities and Social Sciences, 112. See you soon.